Hello and welcome to Matilda Visits, Leander and Heidi's Holidays. We are in the middle, really in the heart of France, at Guédelon Castle. What makes this unique is that they're actually building this castle from scratch. So not a ruin or anything like that. It's a real life archaeology experiment with people actually building this from scratch. Here we go.
So we're right now at a castle that they're building, like they would build them when in the time of the knights. They're at Guédelon Château.
What's so special about this one?
Because Château means castle, and because they're building it now. Like they're building it like in the time of the knights.
So despite the fact that everything in here looks and feels very medieval, this grand tower here was actually completed just 20 years ago. What is that?
It wouldn't have had that cover.
Darling, is this the building style that you want for your house in Australia?
Yes. The wheel staircase of the whole entire world.
I think there's a piece missing. Painted much more colorful, more elaborate.
Morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the rope maker.
So that we learnt today is that building a castle you really have to look for a spot where there's mostly stone and wood, so like in the forest, but there wouldn't be too much stone.
Oh no, Leander, what did you do? Why are you here?
Do the dishes.
Oh, did you not clean up at home? Did you have fun?
And look, I found this. Can you make it?
Oh, of course, we should definitely make that at home. Darling, you found some modern drinking vessels.
This would not last in our house.
And this is for school, Matilda?
Yeah. For the people who are mean to me. Yeah.